Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Guide. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to log into Eharmony account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to log into Eharmony account, make sure you have created one first, and once you have, go to your app list and tap open the application. As soon as it opens, enter your email address first, and on the next field, type in your password. In case you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password link provided at the bottom left corner of the screen, and if you don't have an account yet, tap on Register Now at the bottom right and register yourself to a new account first. Make sure to enter your password correct every time you log into your account. If you want to reveal and check your password, then tap on the eye icon located at the right corner of your password field and recheck your password before signing in. After entering the correct credential for your account, tap on the login button, wait for a few seconds, and you will be logged into your Eharmony account. That is how it is done. Pretty quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll sure to be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.